YouTube feels like a scam. Why many creators think it's unfair. If you've ever tried starting a YouTube channel and thought, why is this so hard? Or am I wasting my time? You're not alone. Every day, thousands of new creators upload videos with hope, effort, and passion. But after weeks or even months, many of them barely get views, barely get subscribers, and see no money at all. That's when the thought creeps in. Is YouTube a scam? Now, let's be clear. YouTube is not actually a scam. Millions of creators do succeed here. But for beginners, YouTube often feels unfair, confusing, and stacked against them. And when something feels unfair for too long, people naturally start questioning it. In this video, we're not here to attack YouTube. We're here to understand why so many creators feel frustrated, especially in the beginning. We'll break down 6 real reasons why YouTube feels unfair, reasons almost every beginner experiences. And with each one, we'll also talk about hope, perspective, and what you can do instead of quitting. Let's start with the biggest frustration of all. 1. Algorithm favors big creators. One of the first shocks new creators face is the algorithm. You upload a video, you put hours into editing, scripting, and designing a thumbnail, you hit publish, and nothing happens. 10 views, 20 views, maybe 50? Meanwhile, a big creator uploads a similar video and instantly gets thousands or millions of views. That's when beginners think the algorithm only helps big creators. And honestly, it often feels that way. YouTube's algorithm is designed to reduce risk. It pushes content that already has proven performance. Big creators have a history of watch time, clicks, and engagement, so YouTube trusts them more. But here's the positive truth. The algorithm doesn't hate small creators. It just doesn't know you yet. Every big channel once had 0 subscribers. The algorithm slowly tests new videos with small audiences. When something performs well, it expands. The key is consistency, improvement, and patience. Once the algorithm finds the right audience for you, growth can suddenly feel very fast, almost overnight. It's not favoritism forever. It's trust that must be earned. 2. Monetization feels unpredictable. Another reason YouTube feels unfair is monetization. Creators hear success stories about passive income and ad revenue, but when they start, reality hits hard. Videos get demonetized, yellow dollar signs appear, earnings fluctuate without warning. One video earns money, the next one doesn't, and sometimes no clear explanation is given. This makes creators feel powerless. But here's what's really happening. YouTube's monetization system is automated and advertiser-driven. Advertisers are extremely sensitive about where their ads appear. That means YouTube often plays it safe, sometimes too safe. For beginners, this feels like punishment. But the positive side is this. Monetization improves with experience. As you learn which topics are advertiser-friendly, how to avoid risky wording, and how to build consistent content themes, your channel becomes more stable. Also, smart creators don't rely on ads. They diversify with affiliates, sponsorships, and digital products. Monetization isn't broken. It's just not beginner-friendly. Once you understand the system, it becomes far less scary. 3. Lack of transparency. One of the most frustrating things about YouTube is silence. A video underperforms, but you don't know why. A video gets limited ads, but no clear rule is shown. Reach suddenly drops, but no warning comes. This lack of transparency makes creators feel like they're fighting an invisible system. And that's valid. YouTube operates at massive scale with billions of videos. Most decisions are automated. That means creators don't always get personal explanations. But here's the positive angle. Transparency improves with education. Creators who study analytics, audience retention, click-through rate, content patterns, start understanding what the algorithm responds to. The data is there. It's just not emotional. It's mathematical. Once you stop taking poor performance personally and start reading your analytics like feedback instead of judgment, YouTube becomes clearer. The platform doesn't explain itself well, but it does respond clearly to better content decisions. Confusion fades when strategy replaces guessing. 4. High entry barriers. To earn money on YouTube, you need subscribers, watch hours, and consistent uploads. For beginners, this feels like an impossible wall. How can I get watch time if no one sees my videos? How can I get subscribers without exposure? This creates the feeling that YouTube sets people up to fail. But here's the important truth. These barriers exist to protect the platform, not to block creators. Without requirements, YouTube would be flooded with spam, low-quality content, and abuse. The entry barrier filters serious creators from casual uploaders. The positive part, once you cross this line, things get easier. You gain access to monetization, trust, and more features. Many creators say the hardest part of YouTube is the first 100 videos, not the first 100,000 views. If you treat early YouTube as a learning phase, not an earning phase, frustration drops. You're not failing, you're qualifying. 5. Constant rule changes. YouTube changes often. New policies, new formats, new algorithm behavior. 1 month shorts explode, next month long videos matter again. This instability makes creators feel unsafe. But here's the reality. Every major platform evolves because audience behavior changes. YouTube isn't trying to hurt creators. It's trying to keep viewers on the platform. When viewers change, YouTube adapts. The positive side is this. Creators who stay flexible win long-term. Those who learn new formats, experiment early, and don't depend on one style build resilience. Instead of seeing changes as threats, smart creators treat them as new opportunities before everyone else adapts. YouTube rewards those who evolve, not those who resist. Change feels unfair only when you stop learning. 6. AI tools creating a pay-to-win gap. AI tools have raised the quality bar on YouTube. Today, eye-catching thumbnails, cinematic edits, realistic voiceovers, and viral visuals are often made using expensive AI tools. Big creators can afford these tools. Beginners often can't. So new creators feel stuck. Their ideas are good. Their effort is real. But visually, they can't compete. This creates a feeling that YouTube is becoming pay to win. But here's the hopeful truth. AI tools enhance content. They don't replace clarity, storytelling, and originality. Many viral videos succeed with simple editing, clear messaging, and strong hooks. Viewers care more about how a video makes them feel than how expensive it looks. Also, free and low-cost tools are improving fast. What costs money today often becomes free tomorrow. AI creates pressure, but it also creates opportunity for those who learn early. You don't need the best tools. You need the best understanding of your audience. So, does YouTube feel like a scam? For many beginners, yes, because it's hard, because it's slow, because it doesn't explain itself well. But unfair doesn't mean impossible. YouTube rewards patience, learning, and adaptability, not instant results. Every creator you admire once felt ignored. Every successful channel once questioned quitting. The difference is simple. They stayed long enough to understand the game. If you're a beginner feeling frustrated, this isn't a sign to quit. It's a sign you're at the hardest stage. Learn, improve, adjust. And most importantly, don't measure your worth by early views. YouTube isn't a scam, but it is a challenge, and challenges are exactly where growth begins.